Hello, welcome to Martin podcast from Bergen Beyond the Gates. I'm here with my favorite friend, Alcohol. As the first Martin podcast episode, I need to say some important things. Many of you know I'm friends with Rauta guy. And he wanted to give me a little bit of information. He's making interviews at Beyond the Gates, and this is preview. He did one with Hellbutcher, one with Paradise Lost, one with Tribulation, and this Imhotep Persine Roy. So I am telling there is content coming which is not related to alcohol like with me, and that this is good alcohol, gin tonic, very good. If you see me, buy me a gin tonic. But as very first Martti podcast is here, there is also more interviews coming, and yes, very good content, or maybe not, but yes, things will be posted on Rauta's Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. So if you need information, it is right there. This is Martti Podcast. Bye bye and good night.